Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So if you clicked on this video, you're probably new to the online marketing space. Maybe you just joined a network marketing opportunity or an affiliate program, or maybe you're even trying to sell your own products and you're not sure how to generate your very first lead for your business. Now, all of us go through this process. We want to get people to see our offers so that they learn more about them so that they can sign up, join, or buy. But how do you start generating your very first leads in the first place? Well, in this video, not only am I going to give you a few ideas on how to start generating leads online and what things you should really avoid from the get-go, but I'm also going to share with you how you can get your hands on a free lead magnet ebook giveaway funnel that you can start using in your business right away to start generating leads for your business. So if you want to learn more about how to start generating your very first lead online, then keep on watching. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright, so in order to start generating our first lead online, we have to understand why leads would want to enter their name and email on an opt-in form to begin with, right? So you've probably seen them all over the internet. You're reading a blog post and maybe you're going to get a little pop-up on a blog that says, hey, download our 27 tips for XYZ, or join our newsletter for more insider tips, etc., etc., which is where you would proceed to enter your name and your email to retrieve that free thing that this person is offering you. Once you go through that process, you actually become a lead, okay? So how do you start doing this in your business? Well, the very first thing you need to know is that if you want to start generating your very first lead, there has to be an exchange of value in order for that lead to want to give you their information. Remember, people are being bombarded on the internet all the time with all kinds of spam emails, all kinds of offers, all kinds of junk, and you really have to make sure that whatever it is that you are offering is standing out. And so what I recommend that you do is, when you start thinking about how you're going to start creating something of value to give away for free to start generating your first leads, is that it has to be something that really solves a problem, something that really has enough value that that person feels compelled to enter their name and email, which for a lot of people is sacred. When I was in network marketing, okay, one of the fastest ways to get your hands on leads was really either to spam people in forums, which is not, I highly recommend that you avoid doing that, or you can actually purchase leads. Now, here's a secret. The lead vendors that are actually selling you these leads, that's exactly what they're doing. They're putting up lead capture pages with lead forms, okay, and they're giving away a free report, or they're giving away something of value. The problem with depending on purchasing leads is, first of all, who answers their phone now anyway from a complete and total stranger? I don't know. I know I don't. But the offer that a lot of these lead companies are offering are too generic. A lot of them are like, would you like to work from home, or how to start a business from home? The problem with that is it's just not targeted enough. So you could be involved in a network marketing opportunity that is health and fitness related, for example. And if you're purchasing leads from a company that what they're doing is they're generating leads by giving away a free report on how to start a business from home, if you get that lead on the phone and they have literally no interest whatsoever in health and fitness, then guess what? You've wasted your time and your money, because that lead maybe had a completely, totally type of business in mind. It was too general. It's just way too general. So the best way to make sure that your lead is targeted so that you get the most return on your investment in time and money is that you have a very targeted lead magnet that addresses a very specific issue. So now that you know, it's way more effective to generate your own leads instead of buying them from someone else or depending on a lead company to put out those lead capture forms for you when you could totally do it yourself, right? Now you have to go ahead and figure out, okay, now I know that I've got to generate my leads. Now I know I need a lead magnet to give away. I need something that is valuable that I can give away. Now, how do I actually get people to want to take my lead offer, my lead magnet, right? So that they can actually become a lead on my list. Well, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can start giving away your free ebook, your free lead magnet, whatever it is that you decided that you are going to create to give away. And by the way, if you need help in this area, I have a course called the 30-Minute Lead Magnet, where you will never run out of lead magnet ideas again, because I take you inside a special secret site that I use that helps me generate lead magnet ideas on the fly. And I also walk you through the process of actually creating your own lead magnet so that you have something of value to give away for free. So if you want to check out that mini course, all you have to do is click on the link right below in the description box, or I will put it right here so you can check it out at www.30minuteleadmagnet.com. Okay, so now how do we start actually giving away that lead magnet, right? So that we can generate our very first lead. The first thing you want to do, which is what I suggest you do, because you want to tap into people that maybe already know you, like you, and trust you, you can post something on your Facebook wall. If you've written an ebook that is going to help the people that are following you, let's say, for example, how to lose 10 pounds in 7 days without getting on the scale, something like that. So let's just say that that is the ebook that you want to give away. You can write an update on your wall, or is it timeline? I don't remember. I'm like old school Facebook. So you can write on your wall, hey guys and gals, if you know anything about me, I've been struggling with my fitness and health and staying on track and this, that, and the other. And I recently started learning more about XYZ, and I actually wrote an ebook about it. So if you are interested in learning how to lose weight, in a safe, quick way, let me know. And I've got an ebook, and if I get enough interest, I will post a link in the comments, something like that. Okay, so that's the first thing you can do. You can actually post a little blurb, a little story, not just a blatant pitch to download your ebook, but an actual story so that it feels real, so that people can relate to it, and post it on your Facebook wall. The second thing you can do is you can go into Facebook groups that have to do with whatever it is that your ebook is about. So again, if you are in a nutritional group, or maybe you're in the Instapot group, or maybe you are in a group that obviously allows you to post in those groups, and you can post value in those groups. Again, you can post a little blurb that talks a little bit about your story, or a story that relates to the ebook that you have to offer, and then just say, hey, if you're interested in grabbing a copy of my free ebook, I will post a link in the comments, or you can private message me and I'll send it over to you absolutely free. Then you give them the link to your lead capture page, which is how you're going to deliver your ebook, and then they will go ahead and enter their name and information if they are actually interested in what you have to offer. So then the third way that you can expose people to your lead magnet and your lead capture page is by just doing a video. Just turn on your phone and, hey guys, share your story. Just like I said, I love just coming from this authentic place of hey, I've been researching this, that, and the other, and I ended up writing an ebook about it, and hopefully, I think it may even help you. So if you want to check it out, just click on the link right below this video. You can do it as an Instagram story, you can do it as a Facebook Live, you can do it as a YouTube video. As long as you are positioning the ebook with some value, you can definitely generate leads and start sending traffic that way to your lead magnet giveaways. So if you're not exactly sure how to approach this, I've actually got a free training that you can check out. Look in the description box below. It is how to generate free leads on social media, and he teaches exactly how to do this on Facebook, how to give stuff away for free, how to get people to actually ask you for your link. So I'm going to recommend that you check out that free training right below this video. Now, if you stayed this long, okay, you heard that I have a free lead magnet ebook funnel that I've designed, and you can get it totally free. Now, how can you get this funnel for free? Well, first of all, the value of this funnel is worth over $147. It includes a lead capture page, a thank you page, and a download page, so that you can save a bunch of time and getting your lead magnet funnel together. I've already designed it. I've already set up the template for you. The only thing you have to do is swap out the pictures, put your ebook in it, tweak the copy just a little bit, and connect your autoresponder and all that good stuff so you can start generating leads. Now, I built this funnel inside of Builderall, which is the digital marketing software that I use for all my funnels and all my lead magnet giveaways. And when you actually purchase my 30-minute lead magnet, which will teach you how to create your first ebook, how to write it, how to, monetize your ebook, okay? I actually have a bonus module that not only teaches you how to create this funnel, but I also give you the funnel absolutely free. So the course is a great value. You're going to learn how to create your own lead magnet, your own ebook, so that you can give it away. I'm also going to teach you how to build the funnel so that you know how to do it on your own, but you're also going to get a free copy of the funnel that you can download into your Builderall account right away. Now, if you already have an active Builderall account, you're going to love this because it's going to save you a bunch of time. But if you don't have an active Builderall account, don't you worry, because you can activate a 7-day free trial, and I'll have the link inside my description box and inside the 30-minute lead magnet course, so you can activate your 7-day free trial, download the funnel, set up your ebook. Everything is already mobile ready. I've done everything for you, and start generating leads right away, even within your first 7-day trial inside of Builderall. So I've pretty much tried to do everything so that you have to do the minimum as possible. This is as close as a done for you funnel that you're going to get, all for one low price of the actual course. So you get the course that teaches you and equips you with these skills on how to generate leads with your own lead magnet. You're going to learn how to build a funnel, and you're also going to get the funnel for free. Okay, so if you want to check that out, all you have to do is click on the link right below this video, or visit www.30minuteleadmagnet.com. So guys, generating leads is just a matter of an exchange of value. People are looking for information that's going to help them solve a problem. You're going to be there to give them an ebook or a video or something of value that they are willing to give you their email address and their name for, and then all you have to do is deliver the goods and get that person down your sales process, and that will start the process of them getting to know, like, and trust you, and wanting to learn more about you, your business opportunity, and whatever you are selling. So if this video helped you, please go ahead and like this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about building your own lead magnet, building your own lead magnet funnel, or if you have any other questions that I can help you answer, please go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. I love to engage with you guys in the comments. So this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Again, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my channel. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.